Welcome back to Dr. Najam Lectures. In this video, we will talk about the returning bandage towards the foot. So let's start. First of all, you will make the two circulations here like this. After completing the two circulations, just covers the lateral side of the foot like this. Just cover the two times like this. And the third time just covers the upper portion of the foot like this. And in the end, just make the two circulations here and fix it here. So this is all about the returning bandage towards the foot. Thank you.